Hello, this is Miss Lee from the Media Center. Today I'm going to show you how you access a variety of ebooks from what we called Sora OverDrive. So now I'm in the Fulton County class link where students can log in with your own student ID and your computer login password. So once you're in the Fulton County class link, you're going to this folder called the eLibrary. Once you're in the eLibrary folder, you will go into Sora OverDrive. Since this is all of our first time going into Sora OverDrive, you will first have to find the school. So you will click Find My School. And then you will go to the bottom and it says my school isn't listed. So click into this link and then I will search by Chattahoochee High School. So it's listed over here and I will go in and I will say this is my school. Then it will ask you, are you a staff or a student? If you are a student, you will click in I am a student. You will continue to log in with your student ID and again your computer login password. Since I am a Fulton County staff, I will select that and I will continue with my sign in. So again, I will be using my username and my password. So make sure when you click into your own students, you will use your student ID and computer login password. So now I am in Sora. This is what Sora looks like on a computer platform. You can also download the app on your phone. So it will give you some suggestions. It will also give you by subject matter, so it's really up to you. Your main menu is on the bottom where it has Home, Explore, Shelf, and Me. So Explore is highlighted in blue and that's what we are on right now. I can click into Shelf. If I have any book checked out to me or anything, I have it on hold. And then I can also create a list if I want to continue reading. This could be my book wish list. And then or they document my activity. So I will go back to Explore. So once I'm in Explore, the search bar is on the very top. So I will search Hunger Games. Let's say that's what I want to read. So once I click Enter, it will show me all the collection. So you have audiobook because it has a headphone sign. And then you will have the regular book, meaning just your regular ebook. So let me go to this book since I type in Hunger Games. I will go in. Once I click in, it will show me the summary. It will tell me some other information about the book. I can read a sample. And it says more titles like the Hunger Games. It will give me more suggestions, such as the second in the series, which is Catching Fire, and the third in the series, which is Mockingjay. So this is the very first one, but that's not the one that I needed because it's the ultimate quiz book. So make sure you read carefully and don't get tricked. So I think this is the Hunger Games, which is the first one, so I will go in. As you can see, it will tell you if you need to place it on hold, it's about 4 weeks. I can wait for 4 weeks. Then I will say I want to place myself on hold. But then I need to see something else I can read. So let's see Catching Fire. Catching Fire is also about 4 weeks. Okay, let me try Mockingjay. It's about 10 weeks. It's getting worse. So I will go to the top and go click on my Explore. Let's say I'm changing. I want to read Harry Potter. Maybe I have a better chance. Definitely have a better chance. So number 1 in the series. And sometime if you don't have ebook, because again it's on hold, that means okay, let me do audiobook. I will click into the title. I will say okay, I will borrow. So once I'm borrowing, as you can see, it will be on automatic play, and you can just play with it later. I'm not going to play for you right now, but you can see how you play. You just click on the play button, okay? Oh, make sure I need to pause it before I leave. You see? Gotta be careful. All right, let me go back to my Harry Potter. So let's say I borrowed that one. I don't want a audiobook. I think I want an actual book. So looks like I will show you one that I have. Does it have anything for me? Okay, I can read The Fantastic Beast. Oh, I don't want an audiobook. I want an actual ebook. Do I have any? The answer is I don't have any here. So that means I need to go borrow a different one. Okay, let's see. I like The Alchemist then. Okay, I can deal with this. I'm gonna borrow. So as you can see, this is the ebook that you checked out, and you can click on this, and then you can click on the bottom to see you can move this out of the way so you can see the whole book. If you start clicking on the right, this is basically you're flipping the pages. You can see the hand sign. So basically you just flip through the pages and read it through. Okay, so you can see all of them. If I want it back, I just click on the bottom so I can close out the book. So let me show you. I can go into my shelf. I can see what I have borrowed. This is the ebook that I just borrowed. As you can see, I click in. I can say I want to open the book. I click into the space and I just continue to read through the book. If I finish reading, I click on the bottom and I close it out. If you ever want to return, you can return, and you can ever renew every 14 days. And then you go back to your loans. Anything on hold, after 4 weeks or whoever goes through the system, it will just automatically check it into your loans. But again, automatically every 14 days, it gets checked out of your account. So you don't have to worry about returning. Let me show you something else. If you have a public library card, you can come over here to the 3 line to click it out. Say I want to add a public library, and I will type Atlanta Fulton. Okay, so it pops up and say this is my library, and say yay, thank you. And then I just log in with my public library information. And again, you will go through the same process. As you can see, because they are connected, even though I change into a different account, it is still connected to what I checked out. Again, it will just arrange by system. I can still go back to my book and reread it. So again, nothing conflicts, but they work very well together. So you can toggle between Fulton County School account, or you can toggle between Atlanta Fulton Library account. And since we're on remote learning, if you need more book, I will just come here and check out more ebooks or even audiobooks. Hope this helps, and please reach out to me at leelc@fultonschools.org if I can help you with anything else. Good luck with everything.